Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this one, I'm going to compare the CPU throttling test results between the Realme X1 Max device versus Realme GT Neo 2 device. And this exact question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asked me to do the comparison side by side between these both phones. So let's see friends, what are the graphs, how is the throttling is going on between these both processors. That's what you're gonna demonstrate in this video. And the Realme GT Neo 2 has got Snapdragon 870 chipset and Dimensity 1200 chipset in the Realme X1 Max device. So right now let me show you the graphs which are taken the screenshot between these both phones. You can clearly see friends, all the screenshot I did gather for the past few months of usage with these both phones as well. Even after the Realme UI 3.0, I did take the screenshots also. So here's a quick look at the CPU throttling results between these both phones. If you want, you can actually pause this video and you can actually take a look at the overall scores and performance. You can clearly see the CPU throttle up to 93%. And most of the time, if you try to look, the Dimensity 1200 will be having maximum scores, like highest scores than this Realme GT Neo 2 device. As you can see, most of the time. That's what I did understand in my comparison testing, side by side. Try to look at the maximum performance. Always the maximum performance will be higher in the Realme X1 Max device sometimes, and sometimes you can see the throttling how it's happening here. So in the Realme X1 Max you can see the red color indication like most of the time, but in the Realme GT Neo 2 always it's kind of above 90%, like always throughout the time. That's really fantastic in maintaining above 90%. As you can see, always 90% only. The Realme X1 Max, the throttle up to 76% and 65% as well, 72%. As you can see how the graph is. So definitely friends, the CPU throttling, if you try to look at the throttling effect, the Realme GT Neo 2 may not be having that much. And regarding the temperatures also, the Realme X1 Max will be having slightly higher temperatures than the Realme GT Neo 2, little bit higher than this device. So that's it friends, this is a quick comparison between these both phones, which are just letting you know what's going on with the CPU throttling between these both phones. And meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates and bye.